The Vikings were renowned traders, explorers and warriors, but they were also a deeply spiritual people, honouring the ancient gods and trying to seek their intercession. One method they used was sorcery. Today we will learn about the Viking use of magic and sorcery, and how they hoped it would influence everything from the size of a catch of fish to victory in battle, and how in some cases a curse could be used to destroy an enemy. This is Knowledge Voyage. But before this video starts, don't forget to hit subscribe and hit the bell so that you can get all of our weekly videos about history. Thank you. The Vikings were polytheists and believed in a wide range of gods and goddesses. One of the central features of Viking spirituality was fate. The Vikings believed a person's fate was spun in advance by the Norn women and would determine their future. Viking people obviously hoped to know what this future was in advance, and if it was a bad future, to somehow bend fate towards their favour. The way to do this was through sorcery. Sorcery was known as Seidr in the Norse language. Seidr was principally practiced by females, and appropriately enough, was believed to have been taught by the goddess Freya to the Aesir beings. Vikings would consult wise women, known as Volva, and ask them to see into the future for them. This could be everything from how a catch of fish would go, whether their wife was having a baby boy or girl, or whether they would win a battle. Vikings praised those who knew their fate and faced it bravely anyway. Many Vikings accepted their fate and faced it, but for some, they tried to influence it differently through magic. Perhaps a potion, a spell, or the completion of a daring task could impress the gods and twist fate in a more favourable direction. The Norse would use symbols to influence fate. The Vegvisir symbol, which literally means way knower, was carved onto ships in the hope a lost ship would find its way home. The Veðistafr would attract wealth and would ensure a good catch of fish. The Ægishjálmur, which was a mix of Norse words for shield and helmet, was carved onto shields as a means of conquering fear. But the ultimate use of Norse magic was in curses. To cast a curse, a Viking would place a severed horse head on a stick and plant the stick in the ground. The horse's head would be turned towards the target of the curse, which could be his home or just the general direction of where he was believed to be. The curse would then be uttered, ordering the guardian spirits to depart and thus leave the target undefended. Norse sagas contain several examples of curses cast, and they were used for everything from cursing neighbours in land disputes to cursing rival claimants to the throne. Kneading poles were also used by Norse polytheists against Christian missionaries in Viking lands, as the Christianization of Norse lands increased in the 9th and 10th centuries. We will discuss this more in a future video about the Viking religious civil war. So the Norse were a deeply spiritual people, and Seidr magic was a major part of that. This marks one of the most fascinating parts of Viking culture. Thanks for watching everyone, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.